Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. The little bird. A forest at dawn, trees showing light breaking through. Most of us complain when life gives us small problems. We sigh, we groan, and we ask, why me? But what if just two simple words could change everything? What if your destiny wasn't fixed but waiting for you to rewrite it? This is the story of a little bird. A small bird sits on a branch, features weak, head down, crying softly. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there lived a little bird who was very sick. Her wings were frail, her song was broken, and the other birds flew far above while she remained below. The wise owl whispered, "You are destined to suffer for 10 long years." And hearing this, the little bird wept bitterly. 10 years, she cried, why me? Every day she repeated those words, why me? Why me? Why me? And with each word, her pain grew heavier. The little bird sits quietly, then suddenly lifts her head. But one morning, as the sun touched her wings, a thought whispered in her heart. What if instead of asking, why me, I asked, what for? What if my suffering had a purpose? Two words, not why me, but what for? And suddenly everything began to change. The bird practices flying, failing, but trying again. Slowly her features brightened. Instead of weeping, the little bird began to practice. She stretched her wings even when they hurt. She sang a note each morning, even when her voice cracked, and with every effort, her spirit grew strong. Forest no longer pitied her. It admired her courage, and the 10 years of pain that were written in her destiny melted away in just 10 days. The bird soars into the sky, light shining around her. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.